name is Matt Sprintz. I'm the CEO founder of Brinton. It's a number of things. We're here to catch up on latest trends, meet the community, see what they're talking about, see some cool sessions, and also build awareness for our company, and also to find new talent. So it's a number of things, and have a good time, of course.
Hi, my name is Evgenia Pelevina. I'm from Babel company, and our goal for today's conference was to let people know that Babel is hiring, and to increase our employer branding awareness.
So I'm Alex Koostra, I'm here with Nord Security, and we came here to bring the name out that we're having an office in Berlin, that we're looking for people. We work a lot with React, so we also would like to sponsor the community and give a little back to the developers that came here.
Well, I'm Alice De Mauro, I'm from Vercel, the creators of Next.js, and what we wish to do is to make everybody knowledgeable, or like everybody know that Vercel is the creators of Next.js and what we do, basically, because not everybody knows that Next.js is being created by us and is being maintained by us. And we also create Turbo Repo, Turbo Pack in-house, yeah.
So my name is Masi Orangi. I'm from Shopify. I'm a developer community lead there. The goal of Shopify Engineering sponsoring React Day Berlin this year was to get our engineers on stage and out here with the community so that we can engage with the community, share the work our engineers are doing, and get feedback so that we can continue building more on React. Yeah.
It's quite a lively community. I like the events. I mean, not me personally, but our developers that are here, I always speak quite highly of it. I talked to a few as well. They really did enjoy the conversations that were happening. They had a few interesting ideas that they would like to try out at our company, so I think it was quite a good success of being here.
We had a lot of partners coming here. Like we were really, really happy about our partners, like trying to connect with us and trying to understand how can we work better together. And we had also a lot of customers, or potential customers, that were coming here and asking a lot of questions about Next.js.
Met a lot of people, met a lot of the speakers, very happy to learn a lot from the community. A lot of very smart people, a lot of very eager attendees, I would say. So it's been great so far. Like one thing that happened was I was in the bathroom and some person came to me and said, "Are you the workshop guy?" And I was like, yeah. And then he told me, he's like, "That was a great workshop and I really understood. I really like how you broke it down." So that's what makes it all worth it. Like that was a very nice moment. So if I have anything to say about the attendees, it's they pay attention. They're here to learn. And I was in the discussion room too with Growing to Senior. A lot of very good questions, and again, eager audience. If they can't hear, they're like, speak up. So they want to learn. So I loved it. Speakers, great people. Met them at the dinner yesterday as well, and very happy so far.
Yeah, I really like it. Well organized, super nice people from all over the world, super nice partners, and I really like the team who are organizing this event. It was really nice to work together.
Yeah, it's a really cool venue, number one. I think as organizers, you've done a really good job at structuring the location so that attendees can interact with sponsors, they can come speak with our engineers at the booth, but also there's good space where they can go ask questions to speakers and everything. It's also very accessible. I'm new to Berlin and it wasn't very hard to get it, so kudos for the venue.
It seems like you really have pulled a fantastic group of international people together, and that's kind of what we like. And it's very React focused, which is also, that's where we're focused. We're like a UI component library, so React is one of the most important frameworks for us as well. So perfect.
Working with GitNation honestly is a joy. Like your entire team is really responsive. You give us enough data and metrics to help us make the decision about sponsoring in terms of who gets to attend. It's very easy to get, insights from past conferences that you have organized, which is really nice for us as sponsors because we do want to know, are we adding value to the community? And the answer is yes, because of the work the GitNation team is doing, bringing together amazing engineers in the React community. So working with your team is always a joy, and I really look forward to continue doing that.
I think we've all been waiting and longing for it. 2 years now. We've been all locked up and waiting for something good to happen. And yeah, so we've been waiting for this. We're super happy that you're doing this.
They got more online. There's also more of an online component, and I guess people also find it more easier to join events in an online sphere. But what I also notice is that they miss the offline component of being here, of meeting people, of having the chance to network and also talk to like-minded peers. So if the mix can stay, I think that's definitely something that can be enjoyable for the developers.
Of course, the pandemic brought in new, insight into how we can engage and connect. I must applaud your team though for being very responsible when it comes to making sure attendees are aware about the pandemic regulations and how they can keep safe at the conference. That was really nice. But in terms of how it has changed right now, of course, people are wary about being in the same room or shaking hands and what have you. So I think it's good to just have the code of conduct out like you do at the stage in front, and just letting people know that it is a safe environment and that they can come to you in case they have any concerns. So it has changed a bit, we are not all hugging and shaking hands and everything. But in terms of the quality of content and talks and everything, I honestly feel it's gone to a higher level. So very well done to the committee, the program committee that selects the talks, because I think when people gather for this one day, it's a very short day. So it adds value when the quality of talks is really high, and we have seen that today. Yeah.